Okay guys, so I am at I think this is La Cienega Nursery. So we're gonna do a little tour of this place and yeah, here we go. Okay, so far there are just a bunch of really big plants. Look at that staghorn fern. I don't think you guys can see how massive it is, but it's really big. It's humongous. There are some, I'm pretty sure these are Christmas cactus. This is a Christmas cactus. I'm pretty sure this is $35. They might be a Thanksgiving cactus. But I think they're Christmas because they're kind of rounded. And over here on this side, there are some cacti hanging out, doing their little thing. Here are the string of, what are they? Coins. These are 28. And the circular ones are 55. But those are really cute. And then Fishbone Cactus. Over here they're 35, which is the most expensive that I've seen them yet. So there we go. Here's a Ponytail palm for 55. So the one at the grocery store I saw was $30 and I really regret not getting it. I might go back and buy it. Okay, that's not relevant. Here is a Monstera and this one's $20, which is an okay price. Oh, here are some little baby ones. These are 28. They're very cute. Fiddly figs. Bird's nest. I think this is a bird's nest, friend. And this one is $20. And the little baby, oh wow, I didn't see that top leaf. This is $15. I think that's okay. It's very tall. Up here, there's more cacti hanging. This place is really cool. Look how beautiful this is. This is $85. What is this plant that is $85? Chrysocardium. I always struggle reading these names. I can't read them. But yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, this one is $12. These are so tiny. Wow. Rubber plant. Baby rubber plant, $10. These are what I call onion air plants. Oh my gosh, how much are you? Little onion air plant, $20. So cute. Maybe it looks more like a garlic. Yeah, garlic. There we go. Over here there are more Monsteras. There's a bunch of fishbone cacti up here for 35. That's really cool. Wow, this is a really big fern for $60. Very big. Wow. Over here you have your Masonian, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is $35. It's really big. It's a whale fin plant. Some other Sansevieria over here. Very cute. Very cute. Wow, this is a really big one. And it's $60. That's crazy big. I think this is a devil's backbone, from what I remember from my last video, but this could be a different plant. $20. $12 for this little string of hearts. Okay. This place is really pretty. I'm gonna have to say that it's really nice. I like it. Oh, I've been wanting one of these ficuses, but these are really big. I just want a baby one. This is $240. I like that they don't have the like $239.99 because I don't know what that is. I don't know what's going on with that. Why does every nursery do that? Okay, here are some ivies for $5. This is the one that I want and it's $25. I'm very tempted to buy it. Here's the little nursery. Oh, this is the devil's back one for $12. A silver ripple for $8. I might buy this. Here we have Rosso. Oh my gosh, there's an Adansonii here. This thing is big. $85. Wow, that is big. Very beautiful. One of my wish list plants. Here, string of hearts are $25. That's a really big red Congo for $380. Low Rider for $28. Here's another smaller Adansonii, which I might get for $35. Wow. Ooh, you know what I see over here? Wow, this is a lot of watermelon peperomia. Oh my gosh, this is like the one that I bought. The one I bought was $30 and these are $28. So I might end up buying one of these because wow, these are so gorgeous. But I have so many propagating right now and I don't think I could take care of this plant. But these are gorgeous. These are so big. This is how mine looked before I murdered it. Okay. There's a big Hoya obovata up here for $25. Oh, there's another one. This place has so many good plants. Oh my gosh. Just an overview of the nursery. Oh, there's a, what is this? $20 for a Scindapsus. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get the Adansonii and the silver ripple, the small one. I like this nursery. Girl, is this variegated? No way! Oh my gosh! Oh, but it's kind of dying. But it's variegated. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these. This place has rare plants, let me tell you that. If you want rare plants, come here. Wow. This is great. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm still thinking about getting this because look at these beautiful leaves. But also, it's not very healthy. And my Hoya obovata had this when I bought it. I don't know what to do. Okay, as I was walking out, I saw this crocodile fern. I've never seen one in person. They don't feel as textured as they look like they are. So, if you wanted to know, which I don't know if you did, they don't feel as textured as they look like they would feel. They look like they would feel like crocodile skin, but they kind of just feel like leathery. This one's $28. Cool. I'm a little bit sweaty. It's really hot. My AC is broken. So don't mind that. But anyways, so that nursery was actually pretty good. I wasn't expecting that. Some plants, like the common plants, were a little bit expensive, but they had a lot of rare plants that, well, not necessarily rare, but uncommon plants that are kind of hard to find, and I was really shocked to see them. There was the Adansonii, the Crocodile Fern. Let me think about it. There was that variegated Hindu rope, which I didn't end up getting because it didn't look too healthy, and I'm really scared to purchase a plant that's not already healthy. I don't feel confident in being able to nurse back a plant like that. But yeah, I was really surprised to see that there, and if it was healthy, I would have definitely picked it up. It was the same price as the non-variegated one, so that was cool. There was just a bunch of cool plants there, the watermelon peperomia, and so yeah, I only bought 2. I really had to hold myself back because I don't know if I filmed it, but towards the end I found like a little baby staghorn fern, and it was only $8, and it would have been perfect. And I know people keep telling me to get the staghorn fern, but I just can't. I don't think I can be able to take care of it. So yeah, that's my problem. But here are my little plants. They're sitting back there. They don't need a seat bow. I think they're fine, but there's my Adansonii and my little silver, or I can't remember what it's called, but it has very sparkly leaves, the way I like it. And I'm really concerned about being able to keep that plant alive, but I'm gonna try my best. I think I've learned enough to not kill a peperomia. That's it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any comments, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'm probably gonna have another plant tour tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Bye.